Hello everybody, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. And as I told you guys, I changed the name slightly to include some other stuff. I'm doing more than just cooking, so I wanted to include everything. I have a couple of hauls today. I went to Publix, one of my favorite stores, and I went to Home Goods, the Home Goods store. I didn't buy very much from each of the stores, but I'm going to show you what I have. I have 2 half-gallons of tea that I buy a lot of from Publix, and I have a 6-pack of Gatorade, and this is the punch flavored. I bought another Reese's big cup, and this is with the pretzels. I bought a little something to put in our salad, and it is the carving board turkey pieces, and it is really good for sandwiches and to put in your salads. Also, I bought a pack of boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I'm going to make something with this. So I got that, and I have a ginger root, and I am going to make some ginger tea. The ginger root, and I will show you when I make the tea. And I bought limes for the tea, and that's all that I have from Publix. I'm going to show you what I got from the Home Goods store. I bought some little socks that I like to wear when it's cold. Just little anklets. And I thought this was a good buy because it's 10 pair in here, and it was only $5.99. I thought that was real good for 10 pairs of socks. And I bought some kitchen towels. You can see those. I thought they were nice kitchen towels. And I needed some cabinet and wood cleaner, and I bought the Wyman, whatever you want to call it. I bought this spray to clean my kitchen cabinets and clean the wood on my kitchen cabinets. And I love apple cinnamon candles, and this is a cinnamon spice. And it smells yummy. I bought this from the Home Goods store, and it smells amazing. It has 2 wicks, so I can't wait to try this one. And that's all I have for my haul. As I told you, it was a little bit of a haul, not a big haul, but I wanted to bring you guys in to show you. So I will catch you on the next video. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I'll talk to you soon.